Stainless steel, anisopycne. Stainless steel. Stainless steel is an iron-based alloy containing at least 10.5% of chromium. Iron is alloyed with chromium for its resistance to rust. It is used in industrial and consumer markets, and stainless steel can also have other alloyed elements to ensure the steel exhibits the required qualities. Iron. Iron is the base alloy for stainless steel, providing its strength and heat resistance. Iron is the primary component that is enhanced by chromium and other alloyed metals. It is found globally in the Earth's core and crust. Chromium. Pure chromium looks metallic gray, only 100% of the Earth's crust, and is mainly found in chromite, and it is not found free in nature. Chromium is primarily found in South Africa, holding 96% of the world's known reserves. The chromium forms a protective, self-healing chromium oxide film on its surface. The chromium in stainless steel is to provide corrosion and rust resistance on its surface. The higher the chromium percentage, the greater the strength, hardness, and resistance to wear. Other added elements: nickel, carbon, manganese, molybdenum, nitrogen, sulfur, copper, and silicon. The exact composition of an alloy is measured throughout the alloying process to ensure the steel exhibits the required qualities. These other added elements are added to either increase corrosion resistance, higher temperature resistance, lower temperature resistance, improve strength, improve weldability, improve formability, and controlling magnetism. Mining. Iron undergoes open pit mining, while chromite is also open pit or underground mining, but chromium is extracted from chromite, and that's why it's not found free in nature. Processing. Iron is crushed and concentrated. Mined iron ore to remove impurities using magnetic separation, flotation, or gravity separation. Then the concentrated ore is either pelletized or sintered. Chromite raw ore is crushed, ground, and then concentrated using gravity separation, flotation, or magnetic separation to increase its chromium content and separate waste materials. How stainless steel is created. After iron and chromium are processed, along with any other elements that are added, they are melted together in an electric furnace. Then it is cast into a semi-finished shape. The percentage of chromium dictates the temperatures required to smelt the elements together, while maintaining the intended amount of all elements combined. Shaping and forming. The iron, chromium, and other additives are melted in an electric arc furnace. Then it undergoes a process that removes excess carbon. Carbon is good, but too much can cause problems such as carbide precipitation while welding. Then it goes through a turning process. After the carbon is reduced, the final balancing and homogenization of temperature and chemistry occurs. This ensures that the metal meets requirements for its intended grade and the metal's composition is consistent throughout the batch. Then it goes through either hot rolling or cold rolling. Hot rolling, performed at temperatures higher than the recrystallization temperature, of the rough physical dimensions of steel while keeping the steel soft enough to work with without altering the structure. Or cold rolling. This occurs below the temperature or recrystallization temperature of steel. Multiple rollers are used, creating a more attractive, uniform finish. Condition. After rolling, stainless steel goes through an annealing process, which is a heat treatment process that involves heating the steel to a specific temperature, holding it there, then slowly cooling it to make it softer, more ductile, and easier to work with. A controlled cycle of heating and cooling to help soften the metal while relieving the internal stress. Pre-finishing includes descaling and pickling. Descaling is a surface treatment process to remove the tightly adhering layer of iron oxide scale that forms during hot rolling or other high temperature processes. Pickling is a metal surface treatment process that includes using acidic solutions to remove impurities, preparing the surface for processes such as coating, painting, or galvanizing. Finishing. The use of the product indicates the mode of finishing to be used. This includes acid or sand etching, sandblasting, belt grinding, belt buffering, and or belt polishing. In industrial marine environments, you will see stainless steel used for its rust resistance. You will also see stainless steel in restaurants and household appliances due to its shiny and easy to clean finish.